Our next problem is here. This is actually a formula for changing Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius. So this is an actual formula, but it works out well for what we're doing because we are evaluating expressions. Because there is no equal sign on this equation, this is simply an expression. So we're going to evaluate the expression by putting in the numbers in where the letters are so we can actually do the calculations. All right, so we're going to rewrite in order to put in the 95. So it's 5/9 times the quantity, 95. This is what we put in, minus 32. And swing our parentheses. Now we have parentheses inside of a parenthesis, but it's a single number in this case. So we can just drop the 95 into position and copy the fraction. Parentheses are wildcards, so this one is done next. We have a positive 95 and a negative 32. The signs are different, so we're going to subtract the numbers and copy the sign of the larger numeral, which is the 95. So this is going to be a positive 63. So the value that's in the parenthesis drops to the next step as 63. And that is multiplied times 5/9. See, when the parentheses are there, it's now determined it to be a multiplication problem. That's a single digit in there. That's one term. All right, so our rules for that say that you put your whole number into a fraction. If you can simplify your terms on the diagonals with this, you won't have to do 5 times 63. So let's see, 9 does go into 63 7 times, so we're going to do this. And now our math becomes very easy. Multiply tops, multiply denominators, and anything that's over 1, this is one of the properties of 1. Anytime you've got a denominator of 1, you've got the identity property of multiplication, which says it's 35. So 35 was part of the factors, and now it is also the answer, the product. So that's because we followed the rule for the way that 1 behaves.